How to log in Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to log into Spotify, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch a Spotify app. Now sometimes what happens is that in my case it will automatically log in from my Google account. So once I open the Spotify application, I'll just make sure to sign out as well. So let us just wait until the loading process of the application has been basically complete over here. So as you can see, I'm actually currently logged in. So I will tap the three lines option here, go to settings and privacy, and then I'll just tap the logout option from the bottom. Now to log in, it's actually quite very simple. Just reopen the Spotify app. You can log in using Google or Facebook, or tap the login option here. Make sure to enter the email and username and your password. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap the I button, or you can tap the login option to log into your Spotify account directly. This way you can log into Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.